In this tutorial, we will look at how to use SVG clipping and masking as a basis for creating charts and indicators using images of differing shapes in Inovista Animator. Here we can see various shapes used as a type of bar chart, with the shape being used as the indicator rather than a plain bar. Some of these use a combination of clips and masks. Clipping in SVG refers to hiding or showing parts of an image or element. In the Inovista Animator, we use a clip percent to define how much of the element is shown. Here the clip percent is 100, so all will be shown. We also define a direction of up, down, left or right. Masking also works on part or all of the image and affects how the pixels are presented. In the animator, this allows us to set parts of a shape to a different color. Just as for clipping, we have a percent value and a direction, but we also have a color option. And of course, for both clipping and masking, we have the ability to set duration, delay, and easing effects. Opening a decanter-style image, we can see it consists of two elements, a container and an element representing a liquid. Let's create a clip for the liquid. So select it in the tree and click on the edit arrow, then select New Transition and create a clip transition. Note that the usual duration, delay, and easing options are available. Open the clip option to reveal the clip percent and direction. To run the clip, we need to select the Include checkbox. Using the defaults of 100% and direction up, run the animation. Change the clip percent to set the amount of clipping used. We can also change the direction of the clip, but in this case, it makes little sense. Let's now delete that clip transition and create a mask transition. We can see the mask options are exactly the same as the clip, but with the addition of a color option. So here let's select Include and a color and run the animation again. The mask changes the color of the underlying element up to the percentage defined in the mask percent field. We don't really need the background color to be visible, so select the editor icon next to the liquid field in the editor tree and hide it. Then run again. The mask will work in the same way whether or not its base element is visible. Of course, we can have both a clip and a mask in the same animation. So let's unhide the liquid base and add a clip transition which include 100% and down all selected. Then let's put 1000 millis or 1 second delay in the mask. There are a couple of points to note with clips and masks. Firstly, there is only one clip or a mask per image or image element available. Clips and masks always start at the beginning of animation, and extra lines to show this are displayed on the Transition Editor panel. If we want to export the image so that it is data-driven and therefore can be defined in a web page or in Tableau or Power BI, we need to set variables. The percentages for clips and masks and the color for masks can be exported as variables. To do this, simply add the text value in the relevant fields. Open the mask option and enter mask percent in the percent field and enter clip percent in the clip option. Then open the variable values section at the bottom on the left-hand side. We can see these variables in that list. Enter some text values and run again. These variables, clip percent and mask percent, will be populated in tools like Tableau and Power BI or in a custom web page. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our other videos for more detailed tutorials on how to get the best from the animator.